manager, do-it-all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
DreaMIRs. So I'll turn it over to her and let her explain her business to you.
Alrighty, well, first off, my name is Constance Haber. Like she said, I'm the owner of DreaMIRs Events. I would like to thank all of you for being here today. We attempted Facebook Live, but unfortunately it's not working, so everybody in person will be posting it later. So if you guys could, just share the video as much as possible. So a little bit about myself. I've been in the military for about 17 years. I am close to retirement. I have 3 beautiful daughters, amazing husband, and my in-laws are here to witness this as well. So this is kind of like my soft opening for my business. It's a very special day for us because this has been a lifelong dream of mine to actually open my own event coordinating business. But we were stationed overseas for the past 8 years. Even though I planned various events for friends, family, the military, I was never able to take hold of the business aspect until now. So when we found out that we were coming back to the States, Cheyenne in particular, we decided to take the business venture. And it was great to know that once we got here and I started conversing with a lot of you and different people of the chamber and just different businesses in Cheyenne, you guys accepted me with open arms. And it's just heartfelt to know that this community is so close and so tight. So I hope to really do big things here. With that, my professional aspect of it, I've done, I worked at Protocol, which is kind of like a party planner for the Air Force. So I've done everything from planning banquets, award ceremonies, office calls, meetings, and stuff like that. Right now I'm actually assisting with coordinating for the Air Force Ball here at Anderson. I'm sorry, wrong base. F.E. Warren. Still getting used to it. My apologies. But yes, so I've planned, there's lists on some of the tables of different events that I've planned. Like I said, anniversaries, baby showers, wedding showers, birthday parties. I can plan an array of different events. However, our specialties are weddings, private parties, themed events, because you can just go wild with those things. They're endless. And small business functions. I'd like to introduce my daughters to you. That's Trinity over there drinking the water. This is Naomi. She is my youngest. That is Nevaeh sitting right there. And videotaping in the red shirt, that is my husband, Jeremy. My father-in-law, Wick, is right here, and my mother-in-law, Helga, is right there as well. My business would not be where it is without my family. They've helped me tremendously throughout everything. My husband is like a do-it-all. Hey, babe, can you do this for me, please? Have him painting backdrops and folding papers and doing all kinds of stuff. If we do have big events, I do contract out. Unfortunately, one of my assistants, she would have been here today, but she is ill. She's pregnant, so she wasn't feeling well. But yeah, she helps me with all the favors that I do. I hand make a lot of my decorations, banners. As you see, there's different photographs throughout the mansion on the first floor of different events that I have done. So if you guys wanted to take a look at those just to prove that I'm not just making it up. But as far as that, does anybody have any questions for me?
I have a question about the name of the business.
Okay.
How did you pick that, and what is the significance of the end of the name?
Okay, DreaMIRs Events, if you notice, the M-I-R at the end is capitalized. It's actually dreams made into reality. I wanted it to kind of be unique and something different. And a lot of times you picture events and you're like, only in my dreams could I have something like this. Well, I can bring it to life for you. So Dreams Made into Reality is where the name came from. Another caveat to what I like to do is I like to work with small and home-based businesses to offer my clients the event of their dreams for a fraction of the cost. So pulling all the small businesses together of Cheyenne will allow us to network and make our businesses stronger to be competitive in the market as well. Hopefully forming lifelong friendships and bonds. Yeah. Any other questions? Anybody have any events coming up, or birthday parties, or weddings, anniversaries? I'm the gal for you. Even just answering questions, I'd be happy to do that.
You mentioned that you work with a lot of other businesses and providers. Did you want to?
Yes, I do.
Any of those?
I do. As you walked in, you noticed that there was this pamphlet. The participating partners had helped me pull this event together. The first one is Rusty's Couture. who made this amazing dress. The second one is Lilac Kitchen. As we finish here, there are hors d'oeuvres in the other room and drinks and stuff like that to partake in. She did the cake and the cookies. Everyone please take a cookie because that is the favor for this event. So please take them with you and enjoy. Okay, Makeup by Karen Salas from Luxury Lab. Beautiful, right? She not only does makeup, she does all kinds of skincare from facials, what else did I have done? Abrasions, eyelashes. So pretty much anything that you need done with your skin. If you have questions, she's the girl to contact. She is amazing, super friendly, and she'll just talk to you about anything if you're a chatterbox.
So where is her location?
She is on. Oh man, I'm still learning all the streets. Her phone number is here though. If you want to give her a call, and she is on Facebook. And so yeah, you can make appointments and stuff. And her Facebook link does link to her website, and it has everything that she offers there. And of course, the venue and the food is provided by the mansion. And as all of you notice, and you guys can see in the background and stuff like that, this mansion is amazing, beautiful. The reason why I chose this place is because it kind of brings to life the fantasy, the fairy tale of the things that you guys are looking for in events. So I didn't really have to do too much here as far as my little touches. But yeah, again, this place is amazing. The next one is the flowers. If you notice right here on the entry table, the flowers were provided by the Prairie Rose. I have gone into there just to chat with the ladies on several different occasions, and they are super friendly, super helpful. They'll piece together things for you if you have no idea what you want. Just show them pictures, and they'll kind of just put it all together for you. It's kind of what they did for me here. All the printing, as far as the invites that I was passing out, or that I've sent out via the email, my business cards, the thank you tags, and even these sheets right here was all done by PBR Printing. They tweaked a few things here and there as far as my designs and stuff like that, and they brought everything to life. Now, if you notice, hummingbirds are in everything that I do. They're whimsical creatures. They're majestic. They just take flight and grasp life. Pretty much what we're about. What is it? The Mother Lobe is who created the jewelry here that I am wearing. So the necklace and the earrings came from them. And Wildflower and Lace, they have a wedding blog and invitations, and they are located in Laramie. She's actually the one that just designed this little flyer of all the businesses that are partaking. Not only these people, I have probably, I would say a Rolodex, but that's kind of old school, but business card stack about this big of all the small businesses that I was able to meet throughout the various vendor shows, wedding expos and such. So my vendor selection is actually growing quite large from the small and home-based businesses. That's not all I use. If my clients want to use a specific vendor, I will go direct with them, and I will pull them in as well. So sky's the limit. Any other
What's
questions?
your retirement date?
I have 3 more years, September of 2021.
Oh,
So the reason why
double duty.
Yes. So the reason why I'm starting a little early, like I said, is to get established, why I have a full-time job, and learn as I'm going, so I don't just try to take off too fast. And I want to know everything that's going on and everything about the business and in the business, so to be successful.
What are some of the events that you've done?
Okay, so I'll just read them. Types of events that I've done. Like I said.
Favorite one?
Oh, my favorite?
Yeah.
Always. My favorites are the themed events. So like birthday parties, for example, I've done pirate, casino, unicorn, Frozen, what else? Ninja Turtles, Legos, tea parties, trolls, bachelor and bachelorette parties. So that's a little bit more risque, so I don't want to really talk about that right now. But yeah, so pretty much like I said, themes are my favorite.
Okay.
So yeah, so if you come up with a theme, even if it's not a known theme, we will make it happen.
How far in advance do you like to have the reservations made or start the party planning?
Okay, so that is a good question because that's something I forgot to mention. Being in the military, a lot of people forego or just postpone or don't even think about having events because of military moves, deployments, just the military just being crazy, hectic schedules. So what I try to offer is a time restraint, budget restraint type of event. So this way, if I'm available in 2 weeks, I'll make something happen. So further the better, yes, so we can accommodate everything that you're looking for. However, like I said, I'm not too strict on the time frame given because I want to be able to offer the event of your dreams even though it's a small timeline. Any other questions?
You only do events here in Cheyenne, or?
Surrounding areas as well. So yeah, so I'll travel to Laramie, I'll go,
Fort Collins?
yes, Fort Collins, Casper, pretty much wherever.
Anyone else?
Any other questions?
Okay, I think we're gonna get